In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remove background in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So it's very easy to do it here in DaVinci. So first is that you would want to go here into the Fusion tab. And in here, you want to highlight Media 1. Click on that. And then from here, you want to hold your Control plus the space button so that you would have this pop-up right here. Now in here is that you want to type in Magic Mask. This is what you need. Click on that and click on Add. Once you have it right here, is that you just simply need to go here into the, and you would want to click here on Better. Next is that you want to draw above your subject that you would want to keep, so that you don't want to be removed from the background right there. So I'm just gonna draw it just like that, and then from here is that all that's left is to click here on this button so that it will now begin tracking the mask forward. And as you can see right here, it's moving. You can see that right here, and it's doing this effectively. So you just have to wait for this to finish, and then you should have your background removed from your video. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.